What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles. So check it out. We got the 1985 Oldsmobile 88 in the garage. We started finishing stripping her out. But wait, there's more. We got the battery box and the gas and brake bolted down in the mini mod. We got the roof sign put on. We got to finish painting, put an engine and transmission in it. She's fucking done. So we're working on getting the engine and transmission out. I'm currently working on getting the windows out. Debating on how to paint it. Thinking about leaving all the shit on the top. I don't want to deal with scraping all this off but how should we paint this? What do you guys think? How would you guys paint it? There it is. First day having it in the garage. We got the doghouse off. We got half the windows out. Finished getting the rest of the interior out. Got the gas tank dropped. She's coming along. So this is a bone stock build, and I learned with my last build to take the doghouse off when you go to weld the bumper on, because there's really no good way to weld the bumper on with the doghouse on. Like my last GM, that bumper's only welded like half of the frame rail on each side, so I'm surprised the front stayed on. Lift it up. Just cut it. So check this out. I accidentally busted the back window out trying to get it out with my Milwaukee hacksaw. Well, to get the top part right here, to get all that out after it broke, I started pulling up on the carpet, whatever you want to, vinyl, whatever you want to call it, that was on the roof. And it all just peeled the fuck off. We got a little bit of rust there, but it literally just peeled right off. So there's the answer on whether or not we're going to keep it on or take it off. It came off in two pieces. But we have the car stripped out. Now she's ready to build. So it just took 3 evenings after work, about 2 to 3 hours a night. Myself, my fiance Lane, we busted it out. She's stripped. Now it's time to build a car. So tomorrow morning, we're going to take all the bolt-ins out of this, pull the cage out, pull the engine and transmission, see about getting those sent off to be built. We're going to start building a car. Okay, so some of you might be wondering, why am I working on a car for Urban Destruction when the car for Redneck Rumble is not done? This is being ran in January. Urban Destruction is in March. Well, let me show you why. Okay, so when I pulled this car to the garage, I opened the center console and I found this note. Future clutch. Change driver's side A-arm, ball joints, and axle. Thanks, clutch. So, this car hasn't been ran in a year and a half. Be almost 2 years when it hits the track again. I remember breaking my ball joint, bending my A-arm. This tire was just dangling in the air. Y'all remember it. Well, I remember just throwing it back together just so I could get it off my car trailer. So I don't remember if I used pre-ran A-arms, if maybe they weren't straight, used ball joints, whatever I had to do to get it off the trailer. So we ordered some new stuff from Rock Auto. Let's see what we got. We got a 53 Mercedes. Also, we got the driver's side and passenger side A-arms because I'm not going to change out one without changing out the other. That's just how I roll. The driver's side bent the last time this car was ran. The passenger side, you know, they were both factory. Might as well change them out. Plus, these possibly have a 90-day warranty. The Derby is in like 60 days. So, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all feel me. So then we bring Bob's Mercedes over here and we'll just stick him right there with everybody else's cars. Okay, so I want to do something that I don't think has ever been done before. I got some amazing fans. We're almost at 1,200 here on YouTube, over 30,000 on TikTok. Well, the reason y'all don't see videos of me building cars, if you do, it's time-lapsed, is because while I'm out here building, I got the Milwaukee job box blasting music, getting me in the zone. Most of the time, I'm out here by myself. Sometimes I have Karina, sometimes I have Lane, but a lot of times it's me out here listening to music, listening to podcasts, documentaries, and I'm doing all that shit on Spotify. I prefer Spotify. You can make a playlist, put all your songs on it, play shit that makes you want to run through a wall. It saves it. Guess what? You can share that playlist with other people. And that's what I want to do. I want to know what songs you guys are listening to, whether you're working out, working on cars, what gets you guys in the zone. I'm going to put it all in a playlist. We'll have the 2022 Demolition Derby Clutch Marles playlist. We can all get on the same fucking channel, listen to this shit, and we'll get some fucking cars built. So in the comments, I want all you guys to comment what songs need to be on this playlist. After that, hit like, hit subscribe, turn on the fucking notifications, because we're about to build some fucking cars. Here we go.